ఈ వీడియో కనుక మీకు నచ్చినట్లయితే లైక్ చేయండి, షేర్ చేయండి. ఇలాంటి మరిన్ని అప్డేట్స్ కోసం మా ఛానల్ ను సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేసుకోండి.
What I will do is hide people just come.
Hide people back.
Hide back. You also hide. You go ahead and come here. I'm Kishore from Candletricks from Chennai. I'm a professional trader and I'm taking a classes about candlestick chart, price action trading. Whatever I lost in the market, it's not a loss and it's purely a learning how to avoid the losses. That information I learned from losing only. But it is not losing, it's a step for learning how to avoid the losses from the market. That information I shared with my students, who they are trusting me and following me in social media and website followers. They are visiting me personally and inquired about the studies, and I am giving the knowledge. It's purely based on a price action movement concept. It's not a business purpose. Mainly I am sharing the knowledge. Whatever I am faced, they also need to face these problems. They must to enlighten from the financial troubles to risk level. At least minimum normal gaining purpose, I like to share this information. Okay. Anything else? Trading, how to trade, how to make profit. First of all, how to avoid the losses from the market, and next step is how to neutralize the from losses to neutralization. That means capital protection. Next one is how to make the profit. These are the things I'm covering with the help of Candletricks brand name. It's my concern. Okay. The Candletricks name was created based on candlestick chart. The chart is nothing but price movement. People are using price movement for trading purpose. 100 rupees, 200 rupees, different stock, different prices trading. So how to read the price, how to read the people's emotion using the price, and how to make the money using this information. That information I am sharing with the name of Candletricks. And it's only possible to make using price action trading. I'm going to teach any indicator or oscillator or lagging tools. Only price movement, how to read the people's emotion. These information I'm sharing with candles to the public who they are trusting and need to learn from me.
ఈ వీడియో కనుక మీకు నచ్చినట్లయితే లైక్ చేయండి, షేర్ చేయండి. ఇలాంటి మరిన్ని అప్డేట్స్ కోసం మా ఛానల్ ను సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేసుకోండి.